Jerome, Arizona is a unique town situated on the side of a mountain overlooking the Verde Valley. In the 1920s, this mining town supported 10,000 people associated with the surrounding copper mines. But the Great Depression brought the boom to a standstill. In 1953, the mines were closed for good, when the ore trickled out. Today, about 500 residents still call it home. The local economy is driven by tourism, just like its cousin to the north, Sedona. The United Verde Mine is an open-pit mine. Its exposed rock walls are 1.75 billion years old. The ore deposits were created by tectonic plate shifting, causing a crack in the ocean floor. Escaping magma cooled and fell to the sea floor, causing the ore deposits. Really cool, huh? We didn't stop in Jerome purposely because we had planned on stopping in Sedona so the girls can do some shopping. Our route takes us through Clarkdale, though, a once booming mining town. Today the town is mainly a retirement community of about 5,000 residents. Sedona is known as an artsy town and has become a tourist mecca. One of the prominent geological features of the area is the Red Rock. As luck would have it, the Red Rock Loop Road appeared and I decided to turn off and drive the loop. I'm glad I did. It's neat back in here. As we round the corner, a modern house appears at the top of Cimarron Butte. To access the house, a ski lift was built to take residents to the top with a parking lot below. I'm not sure how they got building materials to the top, but it is an amazing engineering marvel. I bet their view overlooking the state park is amazing. Sedona and the surrounding area is just beautiful, with the pink sandstone formations highlighted in the sunshine. Once a sparsely populated desert town, it has been turned into the must-see town in Arizona. Keep in mind, the town wasn't completely electrified until the 1960s. My, how things have changed. Well, we'll take a break at the local Mickey D's, and then the girls will be off on their shopping spree. While the girls are off shopping, Roy and I decide to take a hike up into the mountains a little bit or up the hill. We're not gone for a long period of time, but it was nice to get some exercise in and see the area.
The house over there looks pretty cool. This one is called fluorite.
I gotta get a magnet, but you can get them anywhere.
Get one if you see one you like. I love these glass bowls. So beautiful.
It's only 50 cents.
Oh yeah. And look at these up here. Oh, I love this one up here, the middle one.
You know, this guy is a local famous. He's David Bowie too.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I asked that lady if she negotiated her prices, so.
When I get up in the morning, she's looking for the.
We have a little stool somebody gave us when we got married that was carved, and we still have it. It's such a cute house.
That's a lodge.
Lodge.
Hotel.
Okay, well, I love green, so of course
I like that color.
these
Peach together.
agave and the. But anyway. Here they come, going out for their nature walk.
Well, that was a fun stop, but it's time to get back on the road and finish out the day here as we head toward Flagstaff. Heading north out of Sedona, we enter the Slide Rock State Park. Highway 89A runs along Oak Creek as it climbs into the mountains. This was an unbelievable drive and the best so far in Arizona. I really wished we were on the motorcycles. This would have been super fun on the bikes. The Coconino National Forest is nearly 2 million acres in size and surrounds Sedona and Flagstaff. Our ride this afternoon will be within its boundaries all the way to Flagstaff. The forest contains desert, ponderosa pines, mesas, alpine tundra, and ancient volcanic peaks. It rises from an elevation of 2,600 feet to 12,633 feet at Humphreys Peak. This has been an awesome day, but I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be attending the Overland West Expo. It's described as the biggest overland expo in the United States, with thousands attending the 3-day event. We'll see some cool rigs and get ideas about what we would like to do with CODA. Here's Mike the next morning with a little bit of tease about our next episode. Hey everyone, I sure wish you enjoyed the video from yesterday, but we got something new and exciting for today, and that is we are here at an Overland Expo in Flagstaff, Arizona. I guess it's one of the bigger ones that occurs. There's just people all around us and all kinds of four-wheel drive trucks, so it looks like a lot of fun. So let's get started on this journey here.